What's up, guys? We got a 2018 Toyota RAV4. I'm going to show you guys how to replace this wiper blade. As you can see, you cannot lift this wiper blade to get this wiper blade out, but the job is very simple. What you want to do is, first of all, you're going to have to get a wiper blade, which is this insert here. So what you want to do is you want to grab this right here, pull this up. This thing just comes out just like that. Just grab it and do that to it, both sides with both hands. I'm using one hand, so what you want to do is you want to kind of open this up, and this baby will come out just like that, and then you should be able to lift really high just like that. And after that, what you want to do is, you know what, we need a new wiper blade. I want to get a new wiper blade. There's nothing left here. Okay, so we got a new wiper blade. So part number for this particular one, if you want to guess, this is the only numbers that I see on it. If you want to go by barcode, that's what it is. There's no other numbers on it. So let's bring this baby out. We're gonna just place it right here for now. So pretty much this is how the wiper is gonna go, just like this. So okay, and you guys want to get that, and what you want to do is once you have this out, you want to just kind of grab this, and all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull from right here. See how kind of force all of this is the only force I did. So once it comes to that angle, you see it's like an oval there. So you take the new one, okay, same thing, the new one, you see this is how it has to be installed, like this. So you're just gonna have to find that spot, same spot, and it drops right in just like that in that spot. So pretty much that's where it's gonna be at, and this thing clicks right in. But we're not done yet, okay? What I want to do is this is just a soapy water. You never want to drop your wiper blade onto a dirty windshield. So just wipe it down, small little Windex, just clean that surface, because whatever it touches now here is gonna grab onto. Okay, so that's all we need to do there. And I just want to show you guys, see this, the lip, this one is just gone. There's no lip left on this, so it's kind of plain surface. Okay, so after that, you just put this down and you close this up. Bada bing, bada boom. We should be able to do this within 1 minute. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like. There's the old one.